producers. Paano ka na, bakit ka na oo, Marian, sa project na to?
Well, parang walang dahilan para mag-go ako for this project kasi parang napaka-offbeat niya para sa akin. Yes.
What do you mean offbeat?
Well, ang character ko dito ay mistress. So, first time ko gagawin ito and of course, journalist ako dito. So, first time ko din gagawin. Kaya sabi ko, why not trying something new for me? And I think this is a good project for me.
I love
Yeah.
And Direk Dom, of course, napaka-oo ka rin dito. What are you excited to bring out of your actors? And what a lineup of actors, ha?
Yeah, pero kasi si Marian, tagal ko na hindi nakakatrabaho eh. So sobra akong gusto ko nang makatrabaho ulit si Marian kasi puro dingdong. So si Marian naman, at saka to add pala to what Marian said, ang role na dito, she's the mistress of the President of the Philippines. So, yun yung...
And yung premise.
Saka very intriguing.
Oo, nabitawan na natin yung premise.
Ito yata dapat sila.
But it's okay. That is very intriguing siya kasi di ba, ano bang nangyayari behind closed doors?
Exactly.
So yun ang dapat nila abangan.
Open to interpretation, but we're gonna leave it there because we wanna make sure we watch and we catch all the drama and the mga pasabog itong bagong offering ninyo. So we wish you nothing. Congratulations and last quick message for friends.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you sa Prime Video. Thank you for sa GMA for joining forces with Prime Video for the very first time, I believe, for GMA Network. Thank you very much, Marian. Na umuha ka, alam ko mapili ka sa mga proyekto mo. I think you chose the perfect project for this year, for the next probably couple of years ulit para wala namin hindi makita. And I hope you guys will enjoy it when it finally comes out.
Well, definitely, thank you, Derek. Actually, short kwento lang. Si Derek kasi siya yung mga ginampalan ko, mga iconic roles ko. Siya talaga yung nag-direct sa akin. And finally, reunited kaming dalawa dito. At masarap siguro na nag-direct sa'yo yung kilalang-kilala ka dahil ninong siya ng anak ko. So, sobrang excited ako to work with Direk Dom again. And salamat and sobrang excited ako. Finally, after 2 years, guys, I'm back.
That's a great way to start this talk. So with that, give it up